Hey guys, today I'm going to be attempting to DIY some brow lamination. If you have no idea what a brow lamination is, it's essentially a perm but for your brows. I've been seeing it a lot on my Instagram feed, and I've shared this with you guys on my Instagram that I've wanted to try this so badly because it gives you like such a nice, fluffy, thick model brow, and that is what I dream of. So that is what I'm gonna attempt to DIY today. I know you can go to a professional, and you probably should, okay? I'm not a professional, but I love to do things myself. So if there's a way to do it at home, you best believe I'm gonna try it and do it myself. So this is the perming kit that I'm going to be using today on my brows. So this is what's inside the kit. I'm not going to be needing the lift pads since we're not doing our eyelashes, but you are going to need everything on this side. So you've got your perm, fixation, nutrition, and a cleansing, and then your lash glue. So the first step is to clean your brow, make sure there's nothing on it. I don't have anything in my brows, but I am just going to clean this off with some rubbing alcohol, to make sure there's no oils or anything on it. First step is to apply lash glue and brush your brows up. It does come with the lash glue in the kit. You can probably use your own. I'm gonna try this one out and see if it's any good. And then you brush your brows in the direction you want them to perm. At the front, I want them to perm up. And I guess whatever way you brush them, that's the way they're gonna, you know, perm. So I'm gonna brush them up over here. Okay, I think that's good. Let's move on to step number one, which is the perming solution. Such a tiny little bottle. This is step one. Oh, this smells so bad. So I've got some plastic wrap here because it says to cover your brows for 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna cover this up and set a timer for 10 minutes. Let's take this off. This stuff smells so bad. I'm gonna quickly wipe this off. Okay, now we put on number two, which is the fixation. This is supposed to neutralize the perming solution. I'm gonna use the same brush. I did clean it off. So you apply this and then wrap it for another 10 minutes. And cover for another 10 minutes. Let's take this off. So now we have to clean this off. I'm actually gonna use the clean tool that's in here, a tiny little brush on it. So I'm gonna use this to clean off everything. So step three is the nutrition, which is like a hydrating oil, and then step four is the cleanser. So I'm just gonna skip step three and use the cleanser to remove the rest, like the solution that's left over on my brow. I'm actually gonna dip my little spoolie into here. Okay, so now that they're dry, I've cleaned them off. This is what they are looking like. I am gonna like cut them up and stuff. And I'm not gonna put on the hydrating oil because I actually wanna tint them right now. You can move them up or down. It's not like they're stuck or anything. Okay, so now for the tinting part, I've actually been using this for a few years now. This is Just for Men Mustache and Beard Dye. I get it in the shade medium brown. The color base and the developer, they're super mini, which is why I like this over any other kind of dye. I did mix it already, so you're supposed to do half and half of both and mix it. I mixed it on the back of the lash lift kit a few minutes ago. So now it's nice and dark, ready to go. Okay, so I went in a second time with the brow dye and put more like on my skin to kind of stain it. And it worked. I held it a little bit longer, so this is what it looks like. I actually trim them a little bit more, brush them up, and this is what they look like with the brow lamination and just the tint. I don't know, what do you guys think? It makes my brows look a lot fluffier, and that's what I like. I love the front right here, how it's going straight up and stuff. I did brush these to the side just because I don't like that whole brushed up look. I feel like I did a pretty good job and I like how it turned out. So I think I am gonna keep doing this myself. I love especially the front of the brow. As you guys know, my natural brows have a hard time standing up without brow gel, and this is like without brow gel. So I like it. Let me know what you guys think of this new brow trend. I'll see you guys in my next video.